Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, everyone. Hope you're having good time with your family and friends and liking these sessions. In today's video, Naja, I'm here to talk about shortcuts within OneLake. Before I proceed, if you're getting value from these sessions, consider subscribing to the channel and share this content. As you know, Microsoft Fabric is an end-to-end data analytics solution. It can manage data across various stages from one single interface. But there might be a scenario in which you don't want to actually copy the data into OneLake. And that's where shortcuts will come into play. So what are shortcuts? Shortcuts are nothing but objects within OneLake that points to different storage locations. Now these storage locations can be both internal or external to the OneLake. But wait a minute, if the data is already within OneLake, why you want to create shortcut? Now there can be many reasons for that. You want to give access to that data across various workspaces or different fabric capacity without actually copying the data. That's where shortcut can come into play for even internal lakehouse. And if you're dealing with an enterprise customer, they are dealing with data which is spread across various sites. For example, they might be having data sitting in Amazon S3 bucket, in GCP, or even in Azure Data Lake Gen 2 storage. All these different storage locations, which might be external to OneLake, are good fit for querying shortcut because it creates a virtualization layer. And without having to actually move the data physically, you can still give access to that data and bring it to Microsoft Fabric fold. It's also important to understand the folder hierarchy within Lakehouse. Lakehouse is a data architecture platform which leverages OneLake through which you can analyze, manage your data. It can be both structured as well as unstructured. There are two layers to this hierarchy. You have a table folder which represent managed data set, and then you have a file folder which represent unstructured and semi-structured data. But as I mentioned, shortcut is an object within OneLake that can point to different storage location. So the advantages are that you don't need to copy. It prevents duplication of files, as well as also reducing the latency when you're trying to reach and access this data. Hopefully this gives you an idea about shortcuts and its usage within Microsoft Fabric. Thanks for watching and have a good day.